Hello friends, welcome back to Sri's tutorial. In today's video, we are going to learn about mixed cell reference. In our last two videos, we have learned about relative cell reference and absolute cell reference, right? So in today's video, we are going to learn about mixed cell reference. Now, what is this mixed cell reference? It is a combination of relative and absolute reference. So mixed cell reference is a combination of relative cell reference and absolute cell reference. So in this type of reference, either the row or the column has to remain fixed. So here I'm going to show you how to use this mixed cell reference. So here in this I have some data of the student's mark sheet. Okay, and here I want to find out the percentage of each subject. So here I want to find out the percentage of maths, percentage of science, percentage of social. So how will you find out and how will you apply the mixed cell reference here? So here I will say is equal to and then I will say maths slash divided by total marks. Okay, so here I will press enter key. So here you will get percentage. So just change it to percentage. Here I will say percent. So here you can see here the maths percentage is 21%. Right. Now same way by using the fill handle I will drag this. So this is wrong. Why? Because here it is showing 120% in here. Why it is wrong? Why? Because here I3. So what is I3 here? It is going to the next column, right? And here it is going to the next column. So what we have to do here? Here H column we have to fix. Here H column we have to fix. So how will you do it? So here to fix H column we have to put dollar symbol in front of H column. Okay, so here we have to keep the dollar symbol in front of H column. Why? Because in H we have the total, right? And 3, the row has to keep relative. Why? Because the row has to keep changing. Why? Because H3, H4, H5, like this to find out the percentage of each student of each subject, we need to keep changing the rows. So here we need to fix only the column, that is H. Right. So we have to fix the column H and then press enter key. Now using the fill handle we have to drag the formula for the other subjects also. So here you can see science 24% and social 15%. Now check the formula of science. Science D3. So D3, the column D is science. D3 slash H. H is here H is total. So here H we have kept fixed and 3. Right. So this is the formula for to find out the percentage of each subject. Right. And now by using this this fill handle we can copy the same formula for the remaining students also. And you can see here I have copied. Now you can see the formulas here. C4, this is C4, this is next student marks. C4 slash H4, right? So like this, you can drag the formula for the remaining students. So here you can see D3 for the next student, next subject science, D3 and then H3. So this is called mixed reference. So what is mixed cell reference? Either the row or the column has to be fixed. So this is called mixed cell reference. So students, I hope it's clear. You all understood about mixed cell reference and thank you for watching the video.